An estimated 30% of the world's population suffers from micronutrient malnutrition, aka hidden hunger. It doesn't look the same as starvation or famine or capture international headlines, but it's a big problem, like 2 billion people big. It's a symptom of a system where best practices, public policy, and innovation don't always come together. Many governments have national fortification standards because we know that when we get the micronutrients we need, we feel energetic, healthy, and productive. But when we don't get these essential micronutrients, we are more likely to see increased incidence of blindness, low birth weight, and even infant mortality. So we joined in with partners to get national fortification standards passed, and we did. And then we realized that maize flour accounts for over 50% of East Africa's dietary intake, and that only 10% of this flour is centrally processed. So how could we actually reach these at-risk communities? Could we design a fortification solution for them? We went back to the drawing board. We talked with village flour millers and collaborated with engineers from Stanford University to develop and test prototypes. And we ultimately came up with an award-winning, affordable, and sustainable solution. And we named it Sanku. The first of its kind, fully automated nutrient dosifier designed specifically for small-scale fortification. It's lighter than a sack of flour, yet robust enough to handle the harsh environments and continuous operating hours of rural production mills. It can be installed and operational in literally minutes and has the capacity to fortify over 1 metric ton of flour per hour. The device attaches seamlessly, requiring no modifications to existing equipment or any additional steps. The miller simply fills the weight-sensitive grain hopper, then adds the concentrated nutrient premix. Loss of weight technology utilizes 4 load sensors. According to the set dose threshold, these sensors activate a motor-driven feed screw to precisely dispense the nutrient premix directly into the outflow of the grain in proportion to the loss of weight, producing fortified flour. This revolutionizing solution to small-scale fortification has the potential to impact millions of lives. Our goal is to reach 200 million people by 2020, and we invite you to learn more at sanku.com.